Hey everybody, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Seema with me today. Today itself she has claimed 25 points towards her permanent residency. She has got 8 each, actually 9 each in PTE, and then 67 out of 90 in NAATI Punjabi. Well done Seema, a great journey, was a long journey and you didn't give up. That is something very inspirational and something to be very proud of. I am inspired by you. Guys, let me tell you her story. She came to us around 6 to 7 months back. Yeah. And she was on 7 each. She was on 7 each. She took a number of attempts before coming here as well. After coming here as well, you took a few attempts, right? But when you came here, you were not really getting your scores in speaking section. Yeah, exactly. You tried each and everything, but nothing was working. And when something like this happens, most of us give up, right? Yeah, I've seen a lot of students, they just give up. They think, nah, there's some glitch with the software is not understanding me, there's some problem, I won't ever get the score. But you never gave up. Guys, 7 months regularly she was in the lab. Took a long time, was full of up and downs. One time we used to get 90 in one section, other time we used to get 90 in other sections, and we used to miss in that particular section. Exactly. Right? Very important, you do not give up. I would just like to ask you this thing: what kept you going on? You have a lot of responsibilities, you have a child to take care at home. What kept you going on? What kept you motivated that yes, doesn't matter what, I have to do it, and you have done it today?
Yeah, first of all, you are the one person who helped me throughout this journey, and I'll thank to all the Language Academy team. They are all very friendly and they support me a lot throughout this journey. And second thing is that you have to be confident. If you are confident, then there is no stop who can stop you that you can't achieve your desired score. And also, if practice makes a man perfect, that's a good thing, especially for me, because I was practicing for a lot of time, but end of the day I got my desired score. And lab, if we talk about lab sessions are also very important, and there is regular feedback from your tutors. So I'll suggest you that you should have practice every day and you should come to the lab.
That's right. Yeah. That's right, guys. Practice makes a man perfect. Very well said. PT is all about practice and it is about confidence. If you are confident, you will get your score. Doesn't matter what, as she told, just believe in yourself and there's nothing which can stop you from getting your score. I know journeys can be difficult, can be long, can be full of up and downs. Doesn't matter how good your base is, how good you think your grammar is. There can be up and downs in PT because it's kind of complicated and interrelated exam. It's hard to figure out what mistakes you're making, but you do not have to give up. You have to get the right feedback and you have to believe in yourself that I have to do it, and you have a real life example sitting in front of you. Very well done. Let's talk about your NAATI. 67 out of 90 in NAATI Punjabi. What do you think is important for NAATI, and how important were the mock tests which you took over here? What do you think, how did they help you?
Yeah, I'll say that mock tests are really very helpful, because if we are taking an mock test, then we can judge ourselves at least what step we are standing. If we are getting bit low, then we should think we can practice just a bit more, so that we can get high marks, or at least the desired score we can get easily. So I'll say these are very helpful.
That's right guys. Mock test will give you a clear idea where you stand, what are the mistakes, because in the mock test you'll get real exam scenario that yes, this is what happened in the exam, and let's see how you perform when you have exam pressure. And if you do not expose yourself to the mock test, you are going to struggle afterwards, because if you have taken 3 or 4 mock tests, doesn't matter if it's your PT or NAATI, you'll have a clear idea of what the exam is like, and you will be way less nervous when you sit for your actual test. And doesn't matter if you're PT or your NAATI, it's more about how confident you are and how well you perform in the given time period. Guys, very proud to have Seema. Very well done, very inspirational. Guys, doesn't matter what it takes, make sure you do not give up. Doesn't matter what happens, believe in yourself, and there's nothing which can stop you, and you will be on your way towards your permanent residency. Thank you guys, very well done. Congratulations once again.
Thanks
guys. I'll see you very soon. Thank you very much.